So problem 7, system of equations. This is a 3 by 3. We'll be able to use our calculator. But first it says to write a matrix equation. So the matrix equation will be 2, -3, 0. And then 1, 4, -1, 2, 1, 2 times x, y, z equals 18, -18, -4, 32. So before you go to the calculator, I would double check that I've got them all right. 2, -3, 0, 1, 4, -1, 2, 1, 2, x, y, z, -18, -4, and 32. And then to solve this matrix equation, you can solve this on your calculator. What we do on the calculator here, we'll do it without storing matrices. So for the previous problem, I stored matrices. You can store the matrix, like I could call the 3 by 3 A, and the 3 by 1 could be B, and then I know I need A inverse B, or I could just do all of this on the fly. So let me show you how that would work. I could just go matrix vector, create matrix. The first matrix I create will be a 3 by 3. And so I'll just input that matrix. So that's 1, 5, -4. Oh, sorry, back up. I'm copying from the wrong problem. Let me just try that over. So menu, number 7, create matrix. That is a 3 by 3. And okay, so let's try this again. This matrix is 2, -3, and 0. And then 1, 4, -1, 1, 4, -1, and then 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, double check it, 2, -3, 0, 1, 4, -1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, that's the matrix. I will tab outside. I need the inverse of this matrix, so inverse of that matrix, move the cursor down, times, I'll enter the next matrix, which is the solution matrix, the 3 by 1, so that's menu, 7, 1, 1, a 3 by 1 matrix. So the 3 by 1, -18, -4, 32. -18, -4, and 32. So just eyeball it, make sure everything's okay, but because once you hit return, you'll get an answer. So really the problem would be if you entered anything correctly. I think I'm good. So -3, 4, and 17. So -3, 4, and 17, -3, 4, 17. So the most critical thing about these is making sure the data entry is correct, because there's really no way to check the work.